We're in the school greenhouse, and we had a generous donation which will allow us to grow throughout the entire space.
We learn about how to propagate plants.
We get to learn about different types of soils and getting to plant.
The grant has allowed a lot more hands-on projects and student engagement. The donation was received from Farm Credit Canada's AgriSpirit Fund, which is a grant that allows community groups and schools to increase access to food and agriculture. Last year we had students look at the space and put a wish list for what they would like to do. So, for example, things like having the stainless steel countertops, grow lights, more shelving to store things. Now we have some grow lights that are actually adjustable. We were able to get a ventilation system as well that allows us to maintain a nice 25 to 26 degrees all year round.
Watching how the plants grow and how the life of a plant is formed. I think it's a very cool addition to the school.
My favorite part, we get to pick different types of plants and we get to draw them and write about them.
Any particular plant that you learned about that you didn't know about?
African violets, because I think that they're really pretty and I didn't know what they were. It was really fun and really nice to learn about them in the greenhouse.